Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to share with you what our digital files are this week. And we've had several requests to have just words with color. So basically like a strip of words. So what we ended up doing, there's going to be two of these for now. One this week, one next week. So it'll be Scrapbooking Words 1 and Scrapbooking Words 2. And there is approximately 50 with the white font and 50 the same words with the black font. And then we just put a band of color in the middle just to separate them. So here are some of the words. Happy, hobby, awesome, journey, fabulous, beautiful, live, love, laugh, dream vacation, candid moments, live in the moment, LOL, family pics, magical, camera, campfires. And then the same words are in the black font. So again, approximately 48 words in each the white font and the black font. And the strips for this one is 1/4 of an inch thick. We'll probably do some more later on where we have, so it's smaller. But for now we did the 1/4 inch and in the white and the black font. And let me show you all the different colors that we have. And again, it's in our colors, the 13 different colors. And you have the purple 1, the purple 2, the peach 1, peach 2, light gray 1, light gray 2, green 1, green 2, pink 1, pink 2, red 1, red 2, which is like a deep, deep red, brown 1, brown 2, blue 1, blue 2, turquoise 1, turquoise 2, yellow 1, and yellow 2, which is like almost like a gold. Then bright orange 1, bright orange 2, then just regular orange 1, and orange 2. And then we have dark gray 1 and dark gray 2, but I only printed one of them. Okay, so these are the digital files this week. You can buy just one. They're sold separately, so we're going to keep them at 25% off, so $1.49 each. Or you can buy them in bundle, and you'll save 30% instead of 25%. And also, I want to remind you that I'm having a virtual crop on January 22nd to 24, where we're going to have 10 challenges, 10 hours of scrapbooking during the whole weekend. The first one is January 22nd from 6 to 9 p.m. Then on Saturday, it's going to be from 4 to 8 p.m. And then on Sunday, it's going to be from 9 to 12, and all times are Atlantic Standard Time. But that's it. That is the digital files that we have this week. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.